Hey everyone, welcome to Dips. Today we're going to try out delicious white sauce pasta and red sauce pasta. Let's begin by cooking our pasta. Pour enough water to a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, some salt, and 500 grams of penne pasta. After mixing it, cover and cook it for 9 minutes and strain the pasta. After transferring it, pour a tablespoon of oil. Season it with some salt and pepper powder and combine it. Now let's make red sauce pasta. To a grinder, add 3 tomatoes. Blend it to make a puree. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 5 chopped garlic cloves. When garlic changes color, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. When the onion is sauteed, add our tomato puree. Combine it and let it boil for a minute. Add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Pour a little water and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. After combining, add half of our cooked pasta. Our pasta is well cooked. Add little mozzarella cheese. Combine it on low flame for 1 minute and it's ready. Now let's make white sauce pasta. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. When melted, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Cook the flour on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure not to burn it. Now pour 500 ml of milk in portions. Make sure you stir it continuously and make a lump-free mixture. Add quarter teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Combine it. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes. After combining, add rest of our cooked pasta. Cover and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Add some mozzarella cheese. Pour a little water and combine it as it gets thicker when kept for long. Our creamy white sauce pasta is ready. Do try these simple pasta recipes and let me know your comments.